Procore Field Productivity enables real-time productivity tracking without administrative burden, double entry, or complex spreadsheets. Here's how Field Productivity makes collecting time fast and easy, gives field teams easy access to real-time labor information, and provides easily accessible historical productivity rates for estimators. From a mobile device in the field, real-time productivity information equips your teams to make better decisions. With live data, compare your actual rate of production based on the time and quantities you've submitted versus your estimated rate of production, which was budgeted at the beginning of the project. Most companies that are getting this data are getting it 2 weeks late, after payroll is processed and production rates are manually calculated, and that's considered successful. But knowing the score from 2 weeks ago doesn't help you today. Field adoption is vital to success, so data in field productivity is easy to understand, and inputting time and quantities is fast and intuitive. There are 2 ways to enter time. Employees can log their own time on a personal device, or the foreman or superintendent can enter time on behalf of the crew. For employees responsible for logging their own time, it's simple to clock in, clock out, and switch tasks and projects. Clock in, select a cost code if required, and get to work. Switch tasks to jump between a different scope of work or project. And clock out when you're done for the day. Each clock in, clock out is logged by GPS so you can keep employees accountable. For a foreman responsible for entering time on behalf of the crew, it's straightforward to enter time for everybody at once. Select your crew, and bulk enter time assigned to a cost code. Submit your timesheet with the labor hours and work completed. In addition, field teams can track their productivity by recording material put in place. Employees can sign off that their hours are correct and any company requirements were met. As daily labor hours and production quantities are submitted, the field production report that we saw earlier is updated in real time, giving visibility into which scopes of work are on track or at risk. These actual production and labor rates can be used moving forward to more accurately and competitively bid future jobs. Back in the office, these timesheets and production reports are easily accessible from a desktop view, so project managers, payroll admins, or anybody back in the office can review, edit, and approve all information needed before sending to payroll. If you have further questions about Procore Field Productivity, please contact sales for a personal demo and pricing.